can always choose to be kind.
Hey there, it's Tiana, and thanks for joining for today's B-Kind Craftisode. We have Brianna here with us today, and we're gonna make two super cute outfits. Most of the materials come from her package and go along with the instruction booklet. You'll also need a cup for water because we'll be painting today, and some scissors, as well as fabric or an old t-shirt from home. Let's get started. So the first thing we wanna do is get ready to paint our little outfit. So here's our paint here, and once we add water to it, it's ready for paint. So I'm going to clear a space so that we can start painting. Are you ready to start painting, Brianna? Okay, so we have this stencil too, which can help you paint really cute shapes. I'm so excited to see what this outfit will look like on Brianna. Now that the paint has dried, I'm going to add some stickers. This looks so cute! Let's make Brianna another outfit. Using this pattern, you can take fabric from home. I happen to have a spare piece of fabric here, but if you don't, you could use an old t-shirt. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to lay my fabric out flat and trace my pattern on top of it. Always be really careful when using scissors. Now let's decorate this outfit. You could use the paint on here too, but I'm just gonna use stickers for now. What a fun outfit! I love it! Thanks for making these outfits with me today for Brianna. And remember, you can always choose to be kind.